Hi, and welcome to my hotel tour of the Hyatt Regency Paris Etoile. At 34 stories high, it is Paris's tallest skyscraper hotel. We stayed 5 nights and thoroughly enjoyed the hotel's service and the amenities. Currently a point category 4, but by March 25th, 2025, it will be a category 5. The elevators use a smart central button system on this panel, which helps with overall efficiency. I used a suite upgrade award for our Regency suite, located on the 30th floor. Instead of a traditional suite, this was actually 2 connecting rooms, which is a better fit for our family of 4. We were lucky to have 2 full bathrooms during our stay. The rooms were larger than I expected, and the bathrooms were very clean with a simple, modern touch. But don't forget to bring your universal travel adapter, though there are a few USB ports scattered throughout the room. The second bedroom uses a Murphy bed, which is a smart way to save some space. We had it closed for the entirety of our trip, but if it was in the closed position, this room would be significantly larger. The couch is pretty small and just stuck in the side there. We were lucky to get this beautiful view from the 30th floor. There are other rooms with Eiffel Tower views, but this is not one of them. The hotel even hooked us up with a nice birthday cake for my son. Located on the 34th floor, the Regency Club serves breakfast, snacks in the day, and evening appetizers. It was not large, but we never felt cramped. It was Valentine's Day, and the hotel decorated the club appropriately and served champagne. The staff was excellent and they replenished the food regularly. The views from the club were amazing both during the day and the evening. I hope you're able to get a sense that this club was really nice and the food is very good. It's definitely one of the better ones I've been to. The club also had a very wide range of beverages, from ginger ale to tonic water to orangina to several types of beers as well. And of course, they had this really savvy, smart wine dispenser where you press a couple buttons and it dispenses wine. It was free-flowing and we definitely had a few glasses. The fitness center was spacious and clean with a decent amount of cardio equipment. I like that they had a nice range of machines, though there was no Peloton bike. I was there quite early and it was not busy. On the lobby level is the Mayo restaurant. As Hyatt Globalists, we were offered complimentary breakfast at either the Regency Club or at the Mayo. We did try both spots and they served similar items, though Mayo had a few additional choices. Overall, a very nice stay. It's not very close to many of Paris's main attractions, but it's comfortable and I would recommend staying here if you're visiting this wonderful city.